Okay, so you can see here that I'm getting ready to drill some 2170s. I'm going ahead right now and doing my 2-inch. This is a 5-inch slab. So, you know, pretty exciting, right? Anyways, I'm pretty good at getting that spot on now. I can almost count and get my 2-inch mark. So I'm going to clean this out a little bit. Well, first I'm going to make sure I got my depth correct. So I use my depth gauge. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean this out real well. I'll use my little pipe cleaners. I'll go ahead and do the old blow and suck, as you know. And then I'm going to get the hole vacuum on here. I'm going to attach this because what I'm doing is I took off the speed bit and I'm attaching a smaller diameter because I'm just doing a 1/2-inch depth hole right now. And I'm actually doing a couple extra tests on these for some very, very special friends of mine. So this is a 1/2 inch that I'm doing here, and I'm testing that depth. Now I'm going to do a 1-inch. So I got my 1/2 inch spot on. I'm pretty good with that. I can count. And then now I do my 1-inch, clean that out. I'm going to test that depth to make sure I'm on with my 1-inch. For me to get perfect on my first time with the 1-inch, I need to do that a few more times. But hey, pretty close. So I'm drilling a little bit more down for the 1-inch, right about now. There we go. And then get that cleaned out. I'm going to check that depth again, make sure that I'm spot on. And I need to go just a skosh more. That's it. Stop, Jason. Okay. And then get that clean. I'm going to test that again. Okay, good. I'm happy with that. So now I'll put a 2.5 inch and a 1, mark that. Next is to proceed with my sleeving and capping. This is a spot actually in the middle of this auditorium that I'm going to demonstrate on. So I do have my 2-inch. I'm cutting my sleeve for the 2-inch right now. And I need to give that just a slight haircut a little bit. I need to trim a little bit of that off on there. So that's what I'm going to do now, is trim a little bit of that off. And as you can see, just a little buzz cut, you know? Just a little buzz cut. Go ahead and cap that. Now I'm going to, as you can see, these are different sleeves because we have a different diameter. And I'm putting in that 1/2 inch. The reason why I do a smaller diameter is because to go at this depth, you'll blow out the concrete really with the 3/4 inch diameter, and also the sleeves and everything don't work well at all. I mean, you can't even get a regular sleeve into a 1/2 inch. Anyways, so that's the 1/2 inch one prepared. Now the 1-inch, I'll go ahead and trim that. Pop my my sleeve in the 1-inch. Go ahead and get these dudes capped. And then, as you know, I like to always really make sure that I'm only measuring that airspace in my holes. So, I want that IRH number to be legit and accurate. I don't want to have anything affecting that. So that's why I put my silicone to really close up any gaps or any penetration points, especially if you drill and you blow out a little bit around the